as I'm walking out.
I'm just testing the microphone.
Oh, I'm like, if you want to like come in here, you can test it. I'm going in here to pack everything up. Driving around in Vegas with Starbucks in a Jeep. Oh my gosh. Typical.
Oh, perfect. Over here.
Here's some sour cream.
Onion.
Are you saying hi to your auntie?
No, you can, right? All the way until you can't. That's the way you do it.
That's what I did. Yeah. So then you have more time with the baby because if you go sooner, then you lose out on
Not
that
to
time.
mention you stay busy. They say it's one of the
Did you put? Oh, you know your name's not in there. I gotta. I yelled at everyone and they're begging me. No, you can't say it. You got it? I did.
Hold on.
Yes, we are all.
My water broke. You get a prize. First person.
Doesn't matter where I put it.
Did you have to keep it in your cup? You cannot take it out of your cup. You can't suck on it. You can't bite it.
The B word. She's already got 2 pens.
So she took mine.
She did.
All right, did everybody get a folder?
I told Jessica the minute she got out the truck or the
So
car.
Brandi wanted to play a lot of games, but as you guys know, at baby showers, things get backed up. So what we did to make some stuff go faster is we put a lot of the games that she wanted to play in here. To do it at your own time.
Definitely.
While you guys are sitting down or whatever. So
I get the prize.
we have Who Knows Mommy's Best, so all you do is fill it out and put it back in your folder. We'll go over that later. There is an advice card, so if you guys want to fill that out, you can put it in this little white container here. Also, that little white container behind there. There's some diapers that are there, then some Sharpies. You can fill out any like late night diapers for mommy, so to make her laugh or giggle or get through those long nights. Good job.
Okay.
But you're more than welcome to do that. And then this one here, and there's also directions on there, guys, if you guys want to read them. But this one here is Baby Bingo.
It's a
So
baby.
before she does gifts, you want to have this filled out because as she is doing the unwrapping the gifts, if she gets something, you're going to cross it off. If you get it in rows just like bingo, then you're going to yell bingo.
What? All right, I'll ask you.
Read it. I'm going to read it.
All right.
Follow directions.
I know how to read.
And then we have the emoji Pictionary. All I gotta say on this one, guys, is good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah, so you gotta try and guess the meaning for each emoji below. All emojis are inspired by your favorite children's stories. See if you can guess them all. Whoever gets the most answers wins.
It's a good thing I have a teacher as a sister.
Don't be cheating on me. And then we have the cute little baby.
I'm already on my
magic
third drink for today, so I don't know if you want to cheat off me.
Guess mommy's age. You can guess how old she is in those pictures. They're numbered. And then what flavor is the baby food? We also have those lined up over here.
Just remember, if Wanda plays, she's cheating.
I'm not playing.
Actually, Chet, that one that's
What is the baby item in the bag? You guys will notice some brown bags over here. You have to feel them and write down what you think is in them. You can't open the bag. Mingle around and get to know each other.
Somebody get that.
There's this one.
I'll get it.
A guess who, and there's a list of things, and just put their name next to it. Whoever you find that might have that. Okay. I think that's it.
No, she's still.
Amanda, still love you, Mom.
Kind of still going strong over here.
You were close though, there, Grandma.
Bigger. Yeah, that's way bigger. As soon as I was like holding it, I was like, yeah, that was way too long. What am I doing? Hi, Fofo.
That's pretty close.
Yeah.
You did. Come measure.
I'm not even going to do it.
Amanda, you cheated. You just did your own tummy.
Yeah, she's got you, Amanda. That was
I'm not even
good.
do it.
That's cheating. So far, you're winner.
Amanda, you were holding strong there.
You were.
Oh, see, yeah. untied bow.
And tie around your neck.
Yeah. Well, hi.
I thought she might be cool, but
All right, you guys can keep totaling up if you want to. We're gonna start going over the prices. So the diapers, $10.99. $10.99. The wipes, $7.50. Holy shit!
Best get ready, baby.
I didn't pay that much for anything I bought. It's the closest total. The closest total. Don't forget, guys, it's the closest total overall. Socks were $6.94.
What was?
Socks.
No. $6.94.
Shampoo, $6.92.
I'm like, we're kind of out of order.
Lotion, I know. Am I out of order? Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. We're just getting the total.
$6.92 for the shampoo. $6.92 for the lotion. Pacifiers. Parents' choice. Gotta be cheap. Get the cheap stuff.
Yeah, you just put it in their mouth.
97 cents. Shut them up. Shut them up.
$1.99.
And then we have baby food, $1.
Baby what?
Baby food.
You did not.
That was a good 99 cents though.
Diaper cream, $4.42.
Which was that?
Diaper
Wait, what's the
cream,
$4.99?
How much?
$4.42. And then we got the bottle. The bottle was 97 cents too, because
Yes, I got 98 cents.
and bibs were $6.47 for a grand total of $53.10.
We have 53.81.
I have 53.81.
over, right?
Who got 53?
You
guys got 53?
It's closest without going over.
What was your total?
53.81.
53.80. What do you mean without going over?
Price is
No.
right.
Right.
You can't go over on price is right.
You can go back.
53.10.
She got 52.87.
52?
52.87. That is a 20% difference.
Look at this. This is the finance lady at work.
I have a calculator right now.
Finance lady.
Finance lady.
43 wasn't too bad then, huh? Because hers is 71 cents.
71 cents.
And then you got 23 cents.
23 cents. Is anybody closer than 23 cents?
Got it.
I know. I got the
Right.
accounting. I got the finances up there.
We're gonna cut that price. Glad I could be.
Brenda's got a coupon.
All I gotta say.
She got a coupon.
Yes. You might want to do that.
So, is anybody closer than the 27 cents? All right, then Bird has got it. Good job.
And let me just say, she works at Safeway, so she knew she had
Guys, what we got? Skittles. How about number 4? Reese's. Reese's peanut butter cup.
That was first one I
How about number 5? Teething ring. Number 9. Pacifier. Number 10.
Ball.
Number 10.
Look at her answer.
Sam.
Boom!
Boom!
Ow, I didn't hurt.
Lotion and white.
This little child of mine. Bright little shine.
music for newborns.
Like that one's not for me, but
Oh my God.
it's a kid's teether.
Little book. Think of something. Colors under the sea. Shaped by
No, I'm just messing. I'm trying to influence the outcome.
Got a bingo.
Bingo!
Bingo.
Where's it going?
No, just her. We're just yelling loud for her.
Gotcha. Supporting her.
And I love that color.
I do too. It's beautiful.
It looks like it's soft too.
Oh, that's gonna make it so much easier.
Oh, that's cool.
I still have a few that I need to go through, like nursing shirts and stuff that I'll give to you.
Oh, I love it.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Oh,
Oh my God. Love those boots. Oh my God.
They're adorable, aren't they?
So the babies are getting restless. So she wins the diaper raffle.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Right.
Oh, they're so adorable. She gets
Oh my gosh. That's too cute.
my goodness.
It's got a little bling bling.
It did have a little bling bling.
Got a little bling bling.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
That's because
my
we're
mom's
mean
a cool
girls.
You know, I probably won't have as much plastic surgery as she did, but hey. No, not your mom. The mom.
No, yeah.
Yeah,
Of
exactly.
Regina
I'm like,
George.
oh, I'm like,
Regina George, mom.
thanks, Brandi.
No, Regina George's mom.
Oh my God.
What did I say?
Thank God Grandma's not here.
What did I say earlier?
Grandma's gone, thank God.